definitely the next smoker recipe you need to try when you're making something for game day or going to a pool party or throwing a barbecue party. So it all starts with chorizo. You could skip it, but don't. So I like to use some pre-cooked chorizo. That way you don't have to cook it before making the smoked queso. All you need to do is remove the skin on the outside, dice it up really fine and small. This is going to give great texture to your smoked queso dip. And then it's time to prepare the velveeta. This recipe is big. You could easily cut it in half, but here I'm using both sides of these. So I'm using 2 pounds of velveeta. That's what gives smoked queso its really nice creamy texture. So after that, you just need to prep all of your vegetables. You need to dice them up. We have some onions, some peppers, things like that. So throw it all in one of those large sheet pans or use a pan and line it with foil to make cleaning easier. So add your velveeta, chorizo, cheddar cheese, cream cheese, diced tomatoes, diced onion, diced garlic, and diced jalapeno. And last but not least, a little black pepper. And smoke queso at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Then it's time to add sour cream, smoke it again after giving it a nice stir for 15 minutes until it's all integrated. And then you can just top it with some fresh herbs like chives or green onions. Print out this smoker recipe at Sip Bite Go. Cheers!